Welcome to all the participants. Good morning, everyone. I, on a behalf of organizing committee, would like to welcome you all on 4 days online faculty development program on artificial intelligence and machine learning. I am sure that coming session will be fruitful for all of you, and it will be a great learning experience too. But before to start this session, we came together to seek the blessings of the goddess of knowledge, music, art, and culture. We'll play Ma Saraswati Vandana chant.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू स्वर की देवी, ये संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। तू स्वर की देवी, ये संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा, हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
Thank you to all the participants. I welcome the convener of this FDP, Mr. Vishnu Kansoni, for welcome address. Over to you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Manish sir. Am I audible?
Yes,
Am
sir.
I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir. So, good morning, Honorable Chairman, sir, Honorable Vice Chairman, sir, Honorable Director, sir, respected principals, Vice Principal, Madam, Deans, Head of the Departments, our eminent speakers, faculty members, and participants. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome all of you in the 4 days online faculty development program on artificial intelligence and machine learning. The schedule of the ADP will focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning. It will include more issues to address the full aspects of these topics. And I'm sure that you will definitely learn various important aspects of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, moving further, now I would like to invite Vice Principal Ma'am of Lakshmi Chand Institute of Technology, Mrs. Subhi Srivastava, for certain directives for this FDP. Subhi Ma'am.
Good morning, Piyush sir. Good morning, Director sir. Good morning, Devashish sir. Good morning, HODs. Good morning, all the faculties. I would like to welcome all of the participants of Faculty Development Program who have shown their enthusiasm and interest in attending this 4 days online Faculty Development Program on Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. I extend my warm welcome attached with gratitude to the eminent speakers who have agreed to speak on various topics to induce our participants with new set of skills and knowledge. Faculty development program intends to provide an upgradation of knowledge, skills and intends to motivate the teachers to turn into mentors for student in areas of new development. Teaching is a process of evolution for a teacher which requires honing the skills to make the student realize their potential and take a leap towards the unexplored. And this time of COVID especially have made one thing evident, and that is a stagnant pond of knowledge is obsolete and a stream of knowledge is must. So digital is a new real and is a need of an hour. The digital becomes more user friendly with involvement of artificial intelligence in it. The gadgets never had an adjective to them till the time artificial intelligence coupled with it to make a smart gadget. And being as a computer science engineer, it's not a choice, but imperative for us to understand the need of getting acquainted and then diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence. With this, I also like to take opportunity to acknowledge the zest of LCIT to improve the skills of teachers and teaching. We are optimistic also and do understand that education is going through a transition. The ones who are adapting to it, like getting hands on with digital interaction, will be victorious. But the ones who have a laid back attitude, my friends, sorry, but you need to wake up. Arise to the world of knowledge sharing. So without much ado, I would request you all to participate in this FDP with dedication and full concentration. Thank you so much, everyone. So be connected for upcoming 4 days. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for motivating us and bringing out a very important point that teaching is a constant evolution. Thank you. Now, it gives one great pleasure to invite the visionary and emerging educationalist of Chhattisgarh, Honorable Vice Chairman Sir of LCIT Group of Institutions, Sri Ankit Jain Sir. Kindly bless us with your words of wisdom. Our Vice Chairman Sir is not able to attend today's FDP due to his busy schedule, so he sent his blessing through video recording.
A very good morning to one and all who are present today for the FDP program conducted by our Department of Computer Science. I would like to start by congratulating the Department of Computer Science of Lakshmi Chand Institute of Technology for coming up with such an interesting and fascinating topic and doing a FDP for our faculty to encourage a culture of peer learning and sharing your knowledge and wisdom, which would benefit all. And I'm extremely fortunate to have such a good team. With that, I would like to share my 2 cents about this fascinating topic, and then let the experts talk about it. So, I was just going through something very fascinating about machine learning, that how it just started with binary codes, and then it developed into this amazing mechanism which is affecting our life and enriching our life in more ways than one. So what I was reading was about Google Translate, that how it started with a program which had about 100,000 lines of coding in order to translate several languages into another. However, due to machine learning, currently it just has about 500 lines of really sophisticated coding, which translates a numerous numbers of languages which are spoken by most people around the world. So it's a very, very fascinating topic, to learn about machine learning and what it can do. I mean, right from our cell phone to, doing really complex calculations and how we are moving towards space and development. So, this is a topic which is extremely fascinating and revolutionary in itself, be it driverless driving and, so many things. I mean, we are so connected to technology right now that be it our finance market or banking, everything is dependent on this, and the big portion of it goes towards machine learning. Uh, with that, I would also like to think about something which we are extremely proud of as management, is that our departments are undertaking these initiatives to ensure that our students are benefited. We are on a path to not just deliver a degree, but to educate our students and make them industry ready to be relevant and contribute towards the society. With that, I'm extremely interested to listen to the expert speakers and learn a couple of things about artificial intelligence and machine learning. And with that, I would again like to congratulate the department for this initiative. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your presence has encouraged us to participate in this event with higher zest and a vision to benefit our all participants with artificial intelligence and machine learning FDP. Now, I am delighted to welcome the chief guest, Dr. Devashish Das from IIT Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Sir has awarded his PhD in Computer Science and Engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Patna. His research interest includes vehicular ad hoc network, VANET, cryptography, security, blockchain, Internet of Things, smart cities, intelligent transportation system, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Dr. Das has published research paper in top international journals like IEEE transactions, ACM transactions, etc. Dr. Das has 8 sponsored projects, 4 projects from DST, 1 project from GITA, 1 project from MHRD, and 2 sponsored projects from Aditya Birla Group to his credit. Earlier, he had been involved in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, research-funded project where he had actively participated in developing the centralized and distributed algorithm for vehicular, sensor, and mesh network-based future ITS. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Devashish Das to grace the session with his speech. Sir.
Okay. Thank you, Visnukant Soni sir.
Sir.
And thank you for invitation. And good morning, all of you. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the director sir, vice principals madam, and HOD sir, and coordinator Manish sir, as well as the all participants. Okay, currently I am the faculty member in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, as well as the School of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at IIT Jodhpur. Okay, and my research basically focusing on mainly on the AI and ML system, means artificial intelligence and machine learning based system for our society. And I am looking forward to focus on the research, the area that can extend the availability and usefulness of the technology and its advancement to our society directly. I believe that this will certainly enhance their quality of living of our society, as well as I am working on the different application also in the like blockchain, IoT, smart city, smart transportation. And now what is the benefit of this workshop? This is not only benefited for the faculties, as well as the benefited for the student as well, because artificial and intelligence and machine learning nowadays not only the hot topic, everything, all these things is based on this artificial intelligence and machine learning. Because if we want some prediction thing, like in future there is a possibility there's any COVID type of situation will come, then how we will manage and how we'll manage our financial condition, how we'll manage our education system, how we'll manage our other environmental parameters. So everything we can design through some artificial intelligence and machine learning based concept. Okay, so all these things. So currently, like the driver behavior prediction, nowadays day by day increasing the road accidents. Okay, so how we analyze or how we detect or predict the behavior of the driver. Okay, this is also the machine learning problem. So large number of the problem, if the data are available, data is an important thing. So some previous data it is required, and based on this data we can predict the something, and also which is adaptable and reliable for our society. And in the terms of faculty member, so not only they are the teaching on the AI or machine learning based course for the undergraduate and postgraduate student, as well as they have the large number of opportunity. They can collaborate with the large number of industry. They are working with the this area of the machine learning and artificial intelligence, and they want the industry academia relationship. Okay, so if some faculties are interested, they are teaching this type of course, or they are interested not teaching. If they are interested on this, so they can directly engage with the company, and company are they're interested to easily they join the academic institution. Okay, so they want the academic and as well as the industry collaboration. And same thing for the student perspective as well as the faculty member also eligible. Now government also want the large number of AI and ML based application. So government basically from the government side, MHRD side, they have the different organization. If you check the DST, Department of Science and Technology, okay, Science ACRB and METI, and these are the basically different sponsor agency from the government of India. They basically offer the call for proposal for different types of AI and ML based basically application based projects. Okay, so in your mind, if you have the something and if you want to do for your institution, or you want to develop something for your state, so you can submit the proposal. And in the case of proposal submission, not required any PhD degree. If you are MTech, then also you eligible for the proposal submission. Okay, and they give you for the implementation purpose some funding, and this is open. If your proposal is good, large number of sponsor project, government also want some development for our society, for our state, okay, for our country. Okay, as well as you can publish some paper, okay, international level, and not only international level, top level, like the top tier conferences and journal, which is basically help you for the visibility of your research expertise. And as well as the student perspective, they have the large number of job opportunity in the area of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and also they have the opportunity for the higher study, they have the opportunity for the internship. So all these things are there in the terms of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So that's why this IIT Jodhpur, we already started the one school, which is basically the research oriented school and school of artificial intelligence and data science, which offer the BTech program, MTech program, as well as the PhD program on the area of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, and this is the separate department from the computer science. So any faculty member, if they are interested to work with some problem, we already specified this are the area, our research area. If you want to, and also some company already collaborate with our school. Okay, so if anyone is interested, they can discuss or they can send me the mail. We can we can check and we can collaborate based on your interest. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your valuable knowledge with us, sir. Thank you, Devashish, sir. Now, it would be my pleasure to invite our Honorable Director, sir, Dr. Piyush Kant Pandey. Dr. Pandey, sir, is having a successful career, which includes developing new scientific concepts that are relevant to environmental science and engineering and social environment apart from innovative technology. conducting multidisciplinary research, teaching and supervisory research, and building organizations. I would like to invite Sir for his presidential address. Dr. Pandey, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Soni ji. And really, it was a very great pleasure listening to our chief guest, Devashish ji, for a wonderful speech he has given. And first of all, let me congratulate the Department of Computer Science for taking this maiden initiative in this year for having this wonderful FDP on AI and ML. And I really appreciate that the Department of Computer Science of our institute is doing, a very proactive roles in organizing such wonderful workshops and the various programs. They have been interacting with the various national, international people and inviting such a good luminaries, for conducting the various programs, webinars, and FDP. So I first of all congratulate the department for this very good initiative. I am sure that the Lakshmi Chand Institute of Technology, this stands for a quality in the city of Bilaspur and also in Chhattisgarh. Our group is known for a wonderful teaching quality. We have more than around 4,500 students in our various institutions, and we are known for the quality delivery in our all endeavors. So I am very happy that the LCIT is continuing with that, and the Department of Computer Science and similarly other departments are, taking up a wonderful activity. And in fact, I have seen that even the quality of the online teaching, which was done very nicely in this time of pandemic, and also the implementation of various, the initiatives, for example, the complete, conversion of our organizations into based on MIS, and also the various initiatives which are being undertaken, new labs which are being developed. I'm sure our students and our faculties will be benefited by that. And really, even the topic of today of AI and ML, and having listened to Devashish ji, it really gives me a great pleasure. In fact, I remember the time of our, our graduation days, when, when we were students, say around 35 years back. At that time, the degrees were for lifetime. Whatever degrees were awarded, they were for lifetime. People, used to work in that area only, and with the addition of the, working experience into their basic theoretical knowledge. And I also still remember that, for example, as a graduate student, I had been to Bhilai Steel plant for the training, and I was also to the ACC plant. And I remember even the most of the people who were working there, they having the basic qualification, they could work for the whole lifetime in those plants. For example, Bhilai Steel plant is still going on in almost similar technology. ACC is also going on almost on similar technology. But that was the day which was around 30 years back. But if I talk about today, then today it is a totally different world. And in fact, we are a very fortunate batch in that way that we are seeing this transition taking place into the entire teaching and learning. And at this moment, I'm remembering the Elon Musk also, who's you might be knowing, all of you must have heard about him, that he is the Tesla and SpaceX CEO. And in fact, in 2016, he had said that probably the humans should, learn to connect their brains to the computer. And if they could not connect, then they would be, they become almost like house pets. This is what he had predicted in 2016. And in 2020 now, again, when, you all know that Elon Musk company has been doing wonderful improvements in the technology and the various, the self-driven cars or even the SpaceX technology. So now, what he has said, he says that by 2025, the artificial intelligence will be vastly smarter than what it is today, and it will overtake the humans by 2025. So to understand the dear participants and also the dear research scholars who are as a part of this FDP, I'm very happy that you are all taking part into this workshop, this FDP, wherein we are going to discuss the the various aspects of AI and ML. And understand that if the 5 years is a very short time. We are already now 1 year is over. 2021 is almost over. You can see. So now just 4 years are left. And in this 4 years, if the AI and ML is going to overtake the human brain, then certainly we have to be You have to sit up and understand. And also from the practical point of view, that our students also, particularly the computer science students, or for that matter any student. Yesterday only you must have seen a full page advertisement was there in the Times of India, and that was only for AI, big data, ML, and these kind of subjects only. And the job research simply, what they had, there's there, I don't remember the name of company, I think Simpetus or something. It was there that simply send your biodata and then we will interview. So you understand the need of the full page advertisement Times of India and the front page. So you have to understand that it is not only a thing which we are talking about in a theoretical sense, or this one Lord Elon Musk is saying, in the practically also the big data, the AI and ML. I feel these three things are there which are changing the whole scenario, and India has to take a lead into these one, because India is having one of the best brain in the world as far as the software computing is concerned. And we also have such a large number of trained manpower, English speaking, very good English speaking manpower is available with us. So we need to train first of all the teachers also, because I understand very well that the AI, ML and these topics, big data, were not taught to any of our even computer science teachers. Even for them, these subjects are to some extent new. So therefore, it's very important that you should keep yourself constantly updated and improve your knowledge in this area, so that only you can be able to touch the field. Because as I told you, that whatever was taught was earlier was for 30 years, but now whatever is taught is not even lasting for more than 1 year. Even I'm afraid that our students, when they go out, immediately they almost many of them, because of limitations of the syllabi and other these thing, they find themselves at a huge problem dealing with the current technologies. And therefore what I feel, that not only from the syllabus point of view, but also from really equipping the students to face the world, to face the challenges of the world, we have to learn and expose ourselves with this one. And yesterday only one more equipment I saw, there's RoboVac. It was a robotic vacuum cleaner is there, and I was really surprised to see how nicely a robot is able to do the things intelligently. It could see where is the dust, where is the 3D cameras are there. Using those 3D cameras and all that, it could design how to plan this one. So though it's not a great example of AI and ML, but still I feel that it's seeing is believing. So yesterday when I saw that RoboVac it's functioning, and my own perception about the vacuum cleaner was very bad, because I knew the earlier vacuum cleaner were almost like a piece of show. People used to buy them and keep them just for showpiece. But now RoboVac, you can simply put it on and go for your work into your office or wherever you are going. Leave it, it will do the whole job, do the entire cleaning, even the wet mopping it used to do. And then at the end of the day, it will complete the finish the work and dock itself for the recharging again. So this is a thing which is now available in front of us. It's not something you have to go to America to see it. These things are available in India amongst us now. So obviously it is a responsibility of each one of us to equip ourselves with the latest knowledge, to know the intricacies. And whichever subject you are, I feel it's not only computer science, every subject, every person who's educated person should be developing their knowledge in this area. And therefore I am again very happy that such a wonderful program has been organized. So I congratulate the department, the organizer VK Soni ji and his entire team, and the vice principal. And I'm very sure that all of our participants will be benefited by this one. I wish that all of you participants who are from various parts of the country, and I first of all I congratulate you and welcome you to our group of institution, I'll say a group of institutions, and I'm sure that you all will be learning this one. Please make this program as interactive as possible, so that it should be shared learning. So once again, congratulating the department and the entire people. I am thankful to you for inviting me for this program. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. We are blessed to have a highly motivating from presidential address. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Manish Man sir to take over upcoming sessions. Thank you, Manish sir.
Thank you all the dignitaries. Thank you Debashish sir. Thank you Director sir. Thank you Vice Principal ma'am. Thank you Vice Chairman sir. I bid a very warm welcome to all the renowned speakers and delegates who took out their valuable time and joined us today to be a part of this FDP. We are honored to have you all with us. Thank you for joining us and sharing your valuable views. We are going to continue our first session, within 5 minutes of time. So, Debashish sir,
Hello.
Hello.
We can start now if you don't have any.
yes sir, we can proceed now, sir. We can proceed now, sir, because 10:40